Hi, today I'm here with me Nokia X10 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's unlock the box. So this is the place for our Nokia device. Here we can find the SIM eject tool. Let's see what's here inside. This is some paperwork here, the quick start guide, safety guides, and a warranty card. Also, this is the protective case. Instead of the charger brick, we have here the protective case. I just think that here we have only the USB Type-C cable. So yeah, that's all of the box accessories: the case, the USB cable, paperwork on the SIM eject tool. Unfortunately, we have no here the charger brick or the headphones, so if you want to use them with your Nokia device, you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.